Hi, this is Seungwan Kim from Olivier Tomim International Trade Company. I want to show is today digital door lock. This digital door lock have function four ways. One way is key. Okay. Second way is card. Okay. Card. And then is third way is secret number. Please try again. Okay. The fourth way is fingerprint. You can is open the door. Use fingerprint. Okay. So then let me show you how to save the secret number. This is backside. You can open, so then you can see 8 is battery, and is below number 1, 2 is button. Please push button number 1. Yes, and then please. Okay, please you can save your secret number. Okay, that is all finished. Okay, test please. Okay, this is save your secret number, and last you can save your fingerprint. Please this button number 2. And then you can see front side push number 3. Okay. So then you can record 4 times. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. And then please push backside. Push button number 2. Please. Okay. Okay, this is finished. Test please. Okay, that is all finished. So then you can use digital door lock. This model number is H-7090. Okay, very thanks.